Are you getting the "an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio" message when trying to open Roblox Studio on your computer? No need to worry. In this video, I'll guide you on fixing this error on your computer. So without any delay, let's dive right in. Solution 1. The first thing you need to do is reset network configuration settings from your computer. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, turn on compatibility options for Roblox Studio. To do this, right-click on Roblox Studio from your desktop. Then click on Properties from the context menu. Next, switch to the Compatibility tab. Now tick this box next to Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Then select Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Also tick the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box below it. Lastly, click on Apply and then on OK to save these settings. Now see if you can open up Roblox Studio without this error. Solution 3. If the error is still popping up, try running Roblox Studio with admin privileges. To do this, right-click on Roblox Studio from your desktop, and then click on Run as Administrator from the context menu. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now Roblox Studio should open up without this error. So that's a fix the "an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio" on your computer. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.